Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change your TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to TikTok. After that we need to go to profile and click edit profile. Scroll down a little and here you can click on your username. Here we need to delete old username and set new username. After that click save and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.